Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make counter chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make counter chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Now we can see here many charts. We select the surface chart. Then we can see here many surface. We select the counter surface chart and click OK. Now we can see here we insert a counter chart. Now we want to change the chart style or color or layout and edit data through this chart. Click the chart and go to the design menu. Then click chart style drop down menu, then choose another style. You can change the color of this chart. Click the change color option, then apply another color. Otherwise you can apply another layout. Click the quick layout option, then choose another layout. You move this chart, click the chart and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option, then choose in front of text. Then resize the chart and move it anywhere very easily. You can edit this chart data. Click the chart and go to the edit data option. Then edit data to use this sheet. Now we can see here we make counter chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.